Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to be looking at a method to approach any physics problem. Hey guys, my name's Amir and welcome to Synergy's new syllabus web series. We know that many of you guys out there will struggle with the new syllabus, so we've decided to create this web series to help you smash out your HSC. So let's get started. Physics is a subject that can't be memorized, but strategies for solving problems are applicable across all types of physics problems. In this lesson, we'll be looking at the GUESS system. GUESS is an acronym for the strategy we will use to solve any physics problem. The letters stand for given, unknown, equations, substitution, and solve. So let's go through each of these steps in more detail. Given. Alright, so given means what you're actually given. So physics problems are generally those dreaded word problems. You can't read a physics problem like you would read a newspaper article or a novel. Sentences in physics problems are packed with a lot of information. You read each word in the sentence carefully and pause when you get a new piece of information so that you can write it down. Part of the given involves sketching the scenario. It should be a simple sketch where objects such as cars or people are represented as dots or boxes. Drawing a sketch can also help you identify information involved in the scenario that isn't explicitly expressed in the problem, such as the acceleration due to gravity. Number 2, unknown. So this is what you don't know. In a space separate from the given or in the sketch itself, write down what you're looking for with a question mark after it. For example, if it's a force problem asking for the mass of the object, we would write mass question mark. This may seem unnecessary, but it really helps you to keep your progression through the problem organized and focused. Equations. Equations is pretty straightforward. This part of the problem-solving process involves choosing an approach to the problem in terms of content. Should you use the energy approach? Is it a forces problem? Once you decide on an approach, you have to look at the equations that contain the variables in the given unknown that you already wrote down. Many times, multiple equations will be required, which means you'll need to plug one into the other. It is best to do the algebra with the variables and solve for the variable you're looking for. This way, if you're making a mistake, it is easy to find it. Number 4, substitution. Once you have solved the appropriate equations for the variable you are asked to solve for, it is time to plug in the given values. Make sure you have done any relevant unit conversions before you plug in the given values. For example, if you're working on a kinematics problem and the velocity is given in kilometers per hour and your acceleration is in meters per second squared, you need to convert the time and distance units so that they match. There is one step left, which is to solve the problem. So step 5, solve. Solving the problem involves doing the final calculations. When you arrive at an answer, the last step is to reflect on it. Does the value make sense? For example, if your problem involves calculating the acceleration of a car and you arrive at 1,000 meters per second squared, chances are you made a mistake somewhere. 1,000 meters per second squared isn't really a realistic acceleration for a car. Unfortunately, mistakes do happen when solving physics problems, and it requires you to go back to the beginning to find the mistakes. Mistakes are made even by the best physicists. In all the physics problems that we're going to be doing in our videos, ranging from kinematics questions to dynamics problems, we are going to be using the GUESS system to solve them. Thanks for watching today's videos. I hope that our web series will bring you immense amounts of value for your studies and the HSC. For more information, visit our website synergyhsc.com and stay tuned for the next episode.